The Ministry of Agriculture will dispatch two machines to the villages of Hope and Unity East Coast Demerara to conduct critical drainage works. This will provide relief to residents currently affected by overtopping. On Wednesday, Minister Honorable Zulfikar Mustapha, the ministry's Director General Mr. Madanlall Ramraj, and several agency heads visited the villages to assess the situation and provide immediate solutions.
We are trying to stretch our resources that we have. We'll send the machine, we'll clean the canal, and as you rightly said, it has to be maintained.
The minister said the machines must not leave the district until works are completed. A telephone number was provided for residents to make reports if the works are not conducted efficiently.
We'll do that, and hopefully when the budget comes out later on this month or early next month, we can engage the community as a group, a community group, to clean and maintain these canals.
He said based on an assessment, the National Agricultural Research and Extension Institute will provide aid to farmers who suffered losses. The residents were also given the opportunity to share their concerns.